Welcome to aminacademy.com. In numerical methods and analysis, let us discuss about calculus of finite differences. It can be defined as a method of studying the changes in the variables of dependent variable with some specific changes in the values of independent variable without knowing the form of the function. Means the function is not given, but with the given values of dependent and independent variables, we can study about these changes. Let suppose y equal f of x be a given function of x, and let y of 0 equal f of x of 0, y of 1 equal f of x of 1, y of 2 equal f of x of 2, and goes on, and y of n equal x of n plus n into h, where h is equal to equal intervals of differencing. Now delta y0 is changes of between y1 minus y0, difference between y1 minus y0, like that. Delta y1 equal y2 minus y1, then delta y2 equal y3 minus y2, and like delta yn equal y of n plus 1 minus y of n, are called the first differences of the yn values of the yn values. Hence, here you can see the delta acts as a forward difference operator. It's called forward difference operator. The differences of these first differences of these first differences are called the second differences, and so on. Means the second difference is the differences of third difference to the second difference, like, and so on. Therefore, we can say the second difference is noted as delta square of y0 equal delta of delta y0, which is equal difference of delta y0 is delta y1 minus delta y0, which is equal y2 minus 2y1 plus y0. Therefore, delta square of y0 equal delta of delta y1 equal now here instead of delta y0 here delta square of y1 equal delta of delta y1, which is equal delta of y2 minus delta of y1, which is equal y3 minus 2y1 2y2 plus y1, and so on and so on. In general, we can say delta power n of yk equal delta power n minus 1 of y of k plus 1 minus delta of power n minus 1 y of k. The difference that it defines nth difference where is called nth difference. This delta power n yk is called a nth difference, which is nth difference, where here k and n are integers. The difference table, we can discuss the difference table here. Formats are given as here. This is a difference table. Here, suppose first is here x0, this is y0. The given values are, suppose x1, x2, x3, x4. 4 values are given. Here regarding y is y1, y2, y3, y4. Totally x and y values are given as a table. Now the first difference is, we can write as delta of y0. The second here delta of difference of y2 minus y1 is delta of y1, delta of y2, here between is delta of y3. Now this is called a first difference. The second difference is between delta square of y0, here delta square of y1, then delta square of y2. Then third difference is delta cube of y0, delta cube of y1. Then fourth difference, suppose delta power 4 of y0. Like that, the format, the difference table format is like that. Now suppose, let us see, for example, we will make the finite difference table for the following polynomial function. Suppose here y equal, the polynomial is given as 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube is a given polynomial. Let us make a format of the table, difference table, like here First here x, and this is function of x, that is f of x. Here we'll put 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, because the last term is 4x cubed, so up to 4 you have to take here. That y values, suppose x value gives zeros in this polynomial, we'll get 1. If we give the value of 1, the final is y value is 10. Here for regarding value of x is 2, the y value is 49, 142 and 313. By using x values we'll get the f of x, that is y value are getting. Now the first difference, 10 minus 1 is 9, 49 minus 10 is 39, 142 minus 49 is 93, and 313 minus 142 is 171. Now this next difference here, 39 minus 9 is 30, and here this is 93 minus 39 is 54, then 171 minus 93 is 78. Now here next difference is 54 minus 30, 54 minus 30 is 24, and 78 minus 54 is 24. Then the next difference is 24 minus 24 is 0. So let it be here 1, 2, columns are here 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then column 6 is becomes 0. This is the finite difference table for the function y equal 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.